Hello, the bank holiday is upon us, and guess what? It's pouring with rain. Lovely. Anyway, I'm sure we'll have a great September, Indian summer, and all that. So, talking of September, the Bristol Business Festival will take place on the 23rd and 24th, and it is all about bringing businesses together. The solutions are out there, and if we bring all the business sectors together, we can all exchange ideas and figure things out as we progress forward. So we've broken it into these 10 key business sectors, each of which will have the keynote to give the big picture, what's happening, what you should look out for, how you can prepare, and how you can progress forward. Then they'll go straight into a breakout session where you can have actually in-depth discussion for that specific sector. So that's going to happen 10 times across those 10 areas. There'll also be some training workshops. So that will be for core areas of businesses, so that you can get sales, marketing, social media, admin, ops sorted out for your business to really help you kind of progress forward. So we've got some exciting news about that. Networking is a really important part of the show. The expo area, of course, for everyone to showcase their businesses and their service and products. And then we'll hopefully have a great summer social as a result at the end of the event. The key components for the event, of course, revolve around getting things going again, boosting confidence, knowledge, arming people to progress forward. The keynote, of course, on the main stage, the sessions for all the discussions, the networking to connect with the people, and the expo area I just explained. And those are all to meet, to learn, to share our knowledge, to connect with one another, and to do business. What would it look like? So I'm going to be doing this on the Hopin platform, and it works in the following way. All the key areas of the event are down the left-hand side of your page. And you can imagine, just like a venue would do, you go into the entrance, you might have a help desk there. We'll have one there to help you with your queries, the program, how to get your camera going properly, your sound, lighting, etc. People are coming to see the keynote talks that are going to be from the main stage. We will have expert panels down following the keynote talks, networking at the core of the event, of course, and an expo area where you can have a large, medium, and small booth. All affordable, actually. The small booth is only £45, a medium-sized booth is £65, and the large booth is only £99. So affordable, practical, and all in the same venue, shall we say. Then following the event, so the event runs from 10 till 2, and after that from 2 to 5 we're going to have some specific training workshops to help businesses get going. It will look like this. So those same areas that I showed you are down on the left hand side of the page. The main content, whether it's the main stage or the session, etc., will appear in the middle of your page, and then on the right hand side of the page is your dialogue and your interaction. So the various chats, the polls, the booth discussions, etc. The main stage appears like that, with the presentation and the speakers on the side, or you can split it halfway, whichever way you want it. And that's kind of what it looks like. You can still ask questions to the stage, or you can ask questions to everybody at the event. You then have the panel discussions, so you can have up to 20 people actually take part, but I like to have 9 people or less there. It's more focused, but up to 500 people can take part, watch the session, and 9 people can be on screen, and that will be recorded with a poll function here, chat for the general event chat, and then a booth chat that's specific to that session. The networking is great. It'll ask you if you're ready. You'll have to then share your camera and microphone. It'll then connect you with someone at the event, and bang, there you are. Someone will appear on the screen. These are the details that the person will see on your on you. So that's your Hopin profile. So make sure you have that done correctly. And then a blue button appears at the bottom. It says, "Do you wish to connect?" And by that they mean, do you want to send your virtual business card to that person? So if I click connect, that would send my details over to Naomi in this instance, and she would have to do the same if she wanted to send to me. Oops, sorry. Let me go back a page. The expo area, so this is what I meant about a large stand, which is full width of the screen, medium stand is half the width, and a small stand is a third of the width. Important to note that the functionality is actually the same once you are in the booth. So the difference is in the prominence and exposure you get through the event, with the expos, the large ones being at the top, medium in the middle, and small at the end. But within each of the expo booths, they are the same. It looks like that in a live mode, so people come on camera like they would at a trade show. They ask their questions. You can have a booth chat as well. You can have up to 20 people in there, or you can moderate it and decide who comes in, etc. There's various options there. You can also have it in virtual mode, so you can put a pre-recorded video on there. That works fine. You can see that all the items here are all customizable, so you can change the logo, the text, and also even the call to action button there. So there you go. So those are the key components. So you have your reception, where you've got the core information for the event, the main stage for the keynotes for everybody to learn from industry leaders, the sessions where they'll go and do detailed discussions, practical tips and guidance, the networking, of course, an important part of it, and of course the area where the expo will be. And don't forget about the big positives of virtual events. Content is still king. We've got access to incredible knowledge and people. The reach is enormous. It's flexible. You can just dip in and out as you want. So pick the bits that are relevant to you. Don't expect to be there all day. That won't happen. Everything is done in 25-minute slots, so that you've got time to go and do other bits. But you can also see the most relevant bits that are important to your business. And the cost, when you look at the cost, it's nothing to attend these events. So thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you at the Bristol Business Festival. Have a great bank holiday weekend, and I'll put the links in the email that I'm sending this with, and wish you a fantastic weekend and end of summer. And here's to kids going back to school. Yay!